The fuck you say to me, you little shit? How are you not in fucking school? You kiss your mother with that mouth? Because the fucking youth of society.
Hey, what is up, guys? Blazer1982 here, and wow, 4 weeks. Yeah, looks like I was lazy again. Actually, I recorded a video a couple of days ago. I actually reviewed the Impossible Whopper, but I had to record downstairs, and the video is like so. It just, I don't even know if it's, I don't even know if it's worth. But today I have something like freaking awesome here. Okay, so I got this in the mail. It's not a bomb. And it's, it is G Fuel. In case you don't know what G Fuel is, it is basically used by several gamers and several different platforms. You know, people are like,
those people.
Ninja loves some G Fuel. Let me actually adjust the camera. Let me see how this looks. Okay, this looks a little bit better. And also, I'm in a new room. This isn't my room from Virginia. I know it's kind of a similar color, but it's not. I'm still in Indiana, and this is a different room. So, here we go. I got the starter pack. I didn't get the tub. Because to be honest, I think you really gotta try the flavor before you do the tub, or have a lot, or have a really big discount code. By the way, G Fuel, please freaking sponsor me. No, that's probably not gonna happen. But seriously, I would love that. I would love to look you guys up with some codes. Again, there are other people's codes or the website's codes, so I cannot show them or save them. So, it's an interesting box here. It's like, okay, I think I got it. I know FaZe Clan is one of the big people over at G Fuel, KSI, and Keemstar. In case you forgot about him, let's get right into the news. Alright, so I have quite a history with him. You can see this from this old clip.
Yeah, also, try my stupider jack. Instead of hearing music, you hear Keemstar. Let's get right into suicide.
I am not going to show that paper because that has our freaking address on it. Ooh, we got a cool sticker here. Looks like PewDiePie's little logo / chair. I'm not that big of a fan of PewDiePie, but it's a cool sticker. Looks like some other kind of ad here for Mute. Yes, they also have cans of it here. I haven't been able to find those. I don't really know where to sell them. But here it is. Alright, so here are all the flavors that came with it. And here is the cup. So I got the glow in the dark cup, and obviously it looks like it's white on here, but it's actually kind of, typical glow in the dark color. It looks like one of those like whey protein cups, but it's similar to it, but it's kind of has a different way of how it works. I am actually not going to be demonstrating it because this is basically an energy drink, and I have already had one today, so I'm going to do that tomorrow. Okay? So I'm going to be doing a series called the G Fuel Trials, where basically this is kind of a pilot episode of it. Where I'm going to be trying all the G Fuel flavors each day. So the cup here It's a bit smaller than I thought. No, it's about the size I thought it was going to be. So it opens up like that, or sure something. Okay, there. Opens up. Twist off the top of it. So that's where you pour it in right there. Obviously, I'm going to wash this. Yeah, and there's some little markings on the side saying how much you should fill it up to. And by the way, if anyone is watching this who's under 12, I do not recommend this. I'd say hit 13 or 14. I think more 14. So here are all the flavors that came with it. Looks like there is 7, so that's a week. So we got rainbow sherbet. One of my favorite flavors at Baskin Robbins. Although Reese's is like the best, but rainbow sherbet's also pretty good. And I also should say that these have, even though something like Kyle's little special here has 0 calories, it has a crap load of sodium. So this, it's a bit sweeter, and it's got 25 calories, but it has only 79 milligrams of sodium. So, and I definitely encourage it because, this also is kind of a sports drink alternative too. So if you don't like Gatorade or Powerade, or if you're somehow a subhuman who actually enjoys Propel, if you like toilet water and you want to switch to something else, first of all, God bless you. Why do you like Propel? And second of all, this is your best bet. This is peach mango. I hate peaches, but I actually do kind of like sour peach candy. Peach tea is also pretty good. Alright, we got kiwi strawberry. Sparkling Ice's kiwi strawberry flavor is horrible. So this one, I don't know how this will go, but it looks somewhat promising. This is probably the most famous flavor, blue ice. See right there. This one, I'd assume, I don't really know. We'll just see how that tastes. We got watermelon. That is an old name. And these are also sugar-free, by the way, so yay. This one could also be good or it could be bad. I don't know. Let's see, we got sour cherry. This could be like actually sour. I think I've had like a sour drink once. Yes, it was that Rockstar like X-Durance thing that had way too much caffeine in it. And it had it was sour. It was kind of sour actually. So this might be sour too. Well, it's a sour name, so that's probably what I'm guessing. And another one of the most famous flavors, Phase Berry from, of course, the Phase Clan. So that one should be really good. So we got all our flavors here, and I will see you tomorrow for whatever one I decide to review first. I think I'm going to review Ice first. We'll just see, and I will see you next time on the G Fuel Files. Woo! Oh no, I should redo that. That didn't go too well. All right, I'll see you next time on the G Fuel Files.